feels great for me in TalentSprint. Faculty members are quite good here, like explaining very much deeper concepts in cloud or AI, and many of the lecturers they keep the concept very crisp and concise. I do find the program practical more than theory, and we need more practical knowledge than the theoretical knowledge. Regarding the academic classes, everyone will come one by one and teach their subjects and go. But in TalentSprint, we only focus on one detailed course, and we go through the course very deeply. This program is really helpful for my future and also my setting my career in the right way. I would recommend TalentSprint because it mainly focuses on hands-on practicals and also gives us many group discussions and assignments, and also increases our communication skills, by the way.